Hello friends, today we discuss about employees provident fund procedures, detailed procedure of employees provident fund. First go to website http unified portal underscore dot emp dot employees fin epfin in dia epf india.gov.in. Login ID password with given to you. This is the website. Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, Employees Provident Fund Organization. Password establishment. Please create your permanent login ID and password through this portal. For return filing, here showing home, member, establishment, payment, dashboards, user, employer profile, click payment. For payments, shows dashboard, ECR return filing, payment, ECR payment, direct challans, establishment ID, PF, unexempted, pension, unexempted, EDLI, unexempted, address, PF office, click on ECR return filing. And they will get ECR upload. ECR challan entry, search for challan, for uploading details, employees details, ECR pending for payments, direct challans pending for payment. This is the file upload system. After clicking upload, wage for the month, ECR type, salary for the month, rate 12%, uploaded date, validation, status here showing failed. There are some remarks showing errors on filing. There are some errors on filing. After correction of the filing, these details you need to give properly. If there is any employees code numbers, all should check in proper way. Fill wage, month, salary, disbursal date, select notepad file, contribution rate should be 12%, remarks mentioned ECR file for the month of, check upload. Wage for the month, salary, disbursal date, select contribution rate, remarks, this is the remarks showing validation failed showing. ECR statement. Click downloaded ECR statement. Downloaded ECR statement PDF file and check match with salary if details are showing wrong. Once you check the file, electronic challan, establishment ID, details showing, calculation rate, salary distribution, disbursement date, exemption status, exempted, unexempted, here showing unexempted, remarks, ECR file for the December 2016 showing, LIN not available, written for the month of January 17, ECR type, uploaded date time, members detail showing here, UA number, all details showing here, gross amount, EPF, EPS, ED, LI, EE, contribution, if OK, click to verify if some probable rejected. Payments. Some details in the challan will appear automatically. Remaining we have to fill manually. ECR details, summary of uploaded electronic challan, come written. This is establishment name, wage for the month, contribution rate, uploaded time, date, ECR file, payable, this is the summary, ECR summary showing. Here gross wages, EPF wages, EPS wages, EDLI wages, NPR, UAN account, EPF EE share, EPF ER share, EPS contribution, EDLI contribution, rate and amount. Total contribution remitted, EE account number 1 showing remitted as per ECR, PMR, PY, upfront benefits, this is the amount, total amount, employer details, to generate challan, administration charges 200 showing here, EDIL charges account 2, total refund details, advance is account number 1, total 1,35,256 filled by organization, click for finalize, challan saved successfully showing here, verification, final verification of the challan, TRN number showing wage month, ECR type, uploaded date, status, account 1 amount, account 2 amount, account 10 amount, all showing here. After that we need to click here finalize total. We can down challan acknowledgement and receipt of the file. We receive after that acknowledgement slip showing like this way. This is the computer generated report acknowledgement has been successfully uploaded. Thank you very much.